Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into DIY furniture with 5 incredible hacks. These transformations will breathe new life into your living spaces without breaking the bank. Whether you're a seasoned DIY pro or just starting out, you're going to love these ideas. Get ready to unleash your inner designer. Let's turn trash into treasure by creating something unique and functional. Start with a wooden pallet coffee table. First, clean the pallet thoroughly to remove any dirt or debris. Then sand it smooth to prepare for finishing. Next, decide on a finish. Apply a clear sealant for a rustic look that highlights the natural wood grain, or choose a vibrant paint color for a pop of personality. The choice is yours. Use the existing structure of the pallet or disassemble it to create a custom design that fits your style. Attach sturdy legs to ensure stability, and voila! You now have a stylish, eco-friendly coffee table that's perfect for any space. Remember, safety first. Always wear protective gear when working with power tools to avoid any accidents. This project is a fantastic way to add character and a personal touch to your living room decor. Enjoy your new conversation starter and the satisfaction of having created something with your own hands. Sometimes a piece of furniture just needs a little love. An old bookshelf, for example. A fresh coat of paint can work wonders. Choose a color that complements your decor. Prep by cleaning and sanding the bookshelf, then apply thin, even coats of paint. Once dry, style it with your favorite books and decor. You'll be amazed at the transformation. Floating shelves are the unsung heroes of storage and style. Gather wood boards, brackets, screws, a drill, a level, and a stud finder. Locate studs, mark bracket placement, and drill pilot holes. Screw brackets into the wall and slide shelves onto them. Style with books, plants, or decor for a stunning focal point. It's easier than it looks and adds a modern touch to any room. Enjoy your new floating shelves. Dining chairs can look worn over time, but reupholstering can give them new life. It's a simple and rewarding DIY project that can transform your space. Choose a fabric you love and get creative with patterns or colors. Whether you prefer bold prints or subtle textures, the choice is yours. Remove the old upholstery carefully, noting how it was attached. This will help you when you put the new fabric on. Use a staple remover and don't be afraid to get your hands dirty. It's all part of the process and can be quite satisfying. Secure the new fabric with a staple gun, pulling it taut to avoid wrinkles. Make sure to smooth out any creases as you go. Admire your handiwork and enjoy your stylish, affordable makeover. You've just given your dining chairs a brand new look. This project is a great way to refresh your dining room. It adds a personal touch and can be done on a budget. Your guests will be impressed with your DIY skills. Happy dining! Enjoy the compliments and the new ambiance in your dining space. Add rustic charm to your bedroom with a DIY headboard made from reclaimed wood. This project not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of your space, but also promotes sustainability by reusing materials. Source your wood from various places like salvage yards, demolition sites, or even online marketplaces. Each piece of wood has its own history and character, adding a unique touch to your project. Ensure the wood is in good condition, free of pests, rot, or any structural damage. This step is crucial for the longevity and safety of your headboard. Plan your design carefully. Whether you opt for a simple rectangle or an intricate shape, sketching it out on paper helps visualize the final product. Cut the wood to the desired size and sand down any rough edges. This ensures a smooth finish and makes the assembly process easier. Assemble the pieces using wood glue and screws for a sturdy build. You can also add decorative elements like carvings or paint to personalize your headboard. Once assembled, take a moment to admire your handiwork. Your beautiful, unique headboard is now ready to be the focal point of your bedroom. This project adds instant character and warmth to your bedroom. Enjoy the cozy, personalized touch it brings. Sweet dreams. And there you have it. 5 incredible DIY furniture hacks to transform your home. Customize these projects to fit your style and budget. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos. Share your amazing DIY creations in the comments below. Happy crafting!